Sunday morning, continuing our Lego build. The time has now ticked forward until 7 or 6:50. 6:50, almost 7. That's what it is, 6:50.
Whoa, Dad, look at this piece.
It's a very fancy piece.
So you could put one of these with it.
So it's a curvy piece.
But like with a smaller.
So we've been building since 5 this morning. Well, actually we were awake at 5. We had breakfast, getting dressed, building since 5:35 a.m. And now it's almost 7 at around 6:52. It's still dark outside, but the birds have started to chirp. The birds are starting to wake up. But we were awake before the birds today. What do you think about that, Samuel? How does it feel to be awake before a bird?
I have no idea.
Do you feel tired?
No.
Are you having fun?
I feel like my feet are freezing.
Do you want to stop and get socks?
No. I just need to put my feet in the heater, so.
Well, I think the heater's been on for over an hour now, so it should be warmer. You can also put a sweater on, I guess, if you're cold. That'd help warm up your body.
Isn't it good for your body to be cold?
That's what somebody told us.
Some mummy, you mean?
Yeah, I'm sure Mama did some research and found out some information from someone about something about being cold. It's also good to be hungry, I suppose, once in a while. It's one of those things in life.
What?
A little bit of wind helps plants wiggle and roots grow stronger and deeper.
Yeah.
Too much wind can blow a tree right over.
Yeah. You need exactly perfect.
Same thing with hunger and cold. It's like a little bit of challenge on your body. Helps you become stronger.
But too much could hurt you depending on what it is.
Yeah.
Like if it's trying to fast food, then you just die.
After a long time, but yeah. Hey, so let's take a look at this vehicle. You've got a hood now you just built.
Yeah, and it fits perfectly.
And show me how the doors open and shut now.
Oh, I know the next thing I'm building already.
Well, if somebody's joining us halfway through our video series, they might not know what we're building, so we'll quickly go zoom in on the box and see that we're building set number 42126, rated by Lego Corporation for people who are 18 years old and older, aka adult fans of Lego, which becomes an acronym, AFOL, I guess, and probably gets pronounced into a word as an acronym. AFOL. Adult fan of Lego. But Samuel is 9 years old. I think this is a pretty hard build. In fact, I have never built a build this hard. At least nothing like this in Technic. Not as a child, not even as an adult.
Oh, next piece. You know what?
I think the hardest part for us will be making sure everything is in nice alignment so there's not any extra friction in the axles or gearboxes.
What? They're still made on the underarm. Yes! They were gonna put on the wheels.
Wheels or fenders?
Fenders, but I think we're gonna put on the wheels after. And look how many pages there is left. Only a little bit. There's the back and a million pages.
Well, what step are we on?
Step 300. Step 347.
Step 347. And it looks like, if at a glance, when I look at the book itself, it looks like we're mainly through most of the book at this point in time.
Yep.
We can see our bookmarks where we have little breaks.
Rapporteur.
The wheels are pretty exciting. I have a feeling that they're going to be saved for near the very end. But
Yeah, I know. And sometimes they don't even tell you what you put the wheels on. So
Samuel,
what?
it's still dark outside, but it's kind of like done dark now. I can see a little bit of blue in the sky.
It's a Don Wings Necrozma.
It's now 6:58. 6:58. That means 2 minutes and it's 7 o'clock. We've been awake since 5. That means we've been almost awake for 2 hours now. And I did finally make myself a cup of coffee to stay awake for our exciting Lego finale. We'll probably be able to get this build done, meaning as in Samuel will finish building this exciting Lego build.
Do you think it's today I'll finish it?
Well, I think so.
I think Mommy or you will try and stop me from finishing it.
We might have a break, and then probably tonight you'll finish it. If we don't get done this morning.
Yeah.
But let's take a look at this beautiful sky out here in beautiful British Columbia. Getting a little bit of reflection of the interior light. Okay, I shut the blinds so when the sun rises we won't get too much light blinding us.
It's like you have the whole front of a car, but then the back is like there's no back almost. And also there's no wheels, so you can see all the technic. Here, look inside.
Zoom in.
You can see in the wheel spot.
Okay, turn it so I can see the bottom. Oh yeah.
The bottom you can't really see any technic. It's kind of like just flat pieces of gray and white and orange.
Well, we can see these gears right here and here. And this little piece here.
And this one, but you can't really see how it all works.
Well, what about this, what do you call it? What is this called, Samuel?
A differential?
Yeah, the differential. You can see the differential. And we can see where the wheels go. And over here, we can see the independent suspension right here. Did you think this one would be so big?
No, I thought it was going to be much smaller, but I see like this thing is Gigantosaurus. It's a Gigantosaurus Roris. Oh, I forgot this. Yeah. it's so cool. It's flat front. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Oh, we're using this kind of cool piece. And it's for what is this being ultra? I'm gonna stretch my back. You stretch my legs like that.
You're having a little stretch. What are you gonna add now to this vehicle?
Wait, I need to check something. I did something wrong a long time ago. This goes like this, so that has a lot more shocks. A lot more sense. That gives it a lot more. Yeah, that's better. But now I just can't seem to figure out how to connect.
So you got a lot more shocks in the back now that you fixed the shocks?
Mistakes. Yeah.
Well, that was good that you figured that out.
And also now this car looks so much bigger.
So it's 6:20. No, it's 7:20 now on the clock. Oh my gosh. I have not had enough coffee yet. It's finally daylight outside-ish. Ish, I say, because it looks like it's so overcast outside that it's got your typical Northwest Pacific Coast wet look that you'd find in British Columbia and the coast of Washington State.
Oh, I got that wrong. It goes like so that makes more sense. So this can go in. Oh yes, Daddy, we're finally building the back part.
Okay, what step are we on?
We'll be starting the back part. Will be step 181. I mean 381.
381. This back part looks really good now that you have moved this suspension a little bit.
That'd be so bad if I never saw the problem.
Eventually, you must see it to continue the build. Because you needed the pinholes for other things, right?
Yeah. I keep making all.
Oh wait.
This isn't supposed to go here. It goes here.
Yeah, I was just thinking that.
I just forgot to move the second one. I moved the first one. Why do I keep making all these mistakes? I guess they're right about it being a bit hard.
Yeah.
Because they don't show you anything.
Well, they show you lots of things in the instructions.
Yeah.
Remember when you were really little, you used to call them the constructions instead of the instructions.
They construct something?
The constructions. I need to read the constructions. Turn to the page in the constructions booklet. I think actually the mistakes help us learn. And therefore the mistakes are actually treasures of joy and learning, even though sometimes they feel
Look at
a little
this.
annoying.
This would be so good for any spaceship, like a wall or train or anything.
Yeah, those pieces have an interesting edge where you could use them to strengthen a spaceship.
It looks like the Samuel's car is almost done built.
Yeah?
I say do a step on.
What?
Step 300 and is that so big? 300?
Oh yeah, it's 300 big.
All right, Isaiah, do you want to do some building on your Mandalorian Razor Crest?
Oh yeah, but where's my pieces?
Well, do you want me to help you get out your pieces and your instructions so we can start building?
Yeah, but what if we put a bookmark in our construction so we know what's what
It's not a construction, it's an instruction.
to put in our construction?
I like that idea. It's a brilliant idea. We should use some post-it bookmarks. Okay, I'm gonna.
So we don't lose the part of it. Did you touch the ceiling? You did touch it. Actually, you didn't touch it.
What are you doing?
Getting my wheel that I dropped.
You have a funny way of getting off the table.
What?
Okay. Hi, funny boy. Head, top, head.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, funny
Well,
head,
also-
top, head.
Well, Daddy, this one
Head.
also helps me to stretch.
Hi, funny head, top, head.
Okay, Isaiah's awake and he's got his Lego instruction book for his Mandalorian Razor Crest. Well, Samuel is.
Just constructions and then Mandalorian ship. Piece the brain.